So I'm working on the trunk latch for a 4-door Civic LX today in the salvage yard. You see the trunk latch mounted here on the trunk. And the first thing that we do, this is the tricky part, is that you'll see the lock cylinder here. There's a metal bar that runs from the latch to the back of that lock cylinder. We want to remove that first. You just push that white clip to the right and it drops down. And that way we can get the latch out when we disconnect it. You'll disconnect the wiring harness here. You just press up on this little button. It is a 2-pin connector. Then we're going to remove these 2 mounting bolts here on the latch. Just grab whatever 10mm you have. Okay, so the latch drops down. You know what I would do is, there's one more piece that is connected here on the left. This is the release for inside of the cabin. You just pull up on that and then just pop that out there. And then we can twist the latch around so that it drops out of this little kind of like hole that it is. And so what I would do is leave that metal bar in there. We just want to press on the green clip to the right and then it'll disconnect. And leave that metal bar in there so you can reattach it to the latch. You see it hanging down on that side. You just want to reattach it when you go to reinstall it. So that is the latch right there. You see the electrical plug coming around the outside, and the metal bar sits off of to the right. This is different than the 2-door latch. I'll try to have a video for each one of these. So I'm back in the office. This is the latch we just pulled for the 4-door LX. I have the EX version as well here. This is a 3-pin connector. This is a powered version of the latch. These are both for the 4-door, but the Honda used a bunch of different latches for these model years. I will put links in the description to eBay as well as the OEM part numbers. Hope that helps. We'll see you next time.